first subtopic what you are going to learn in this lesson means spoilage of the food. What is the meaning of spoilage, children? கெட்டு போகிறது இல்லையா அதுதான் spoiled. Okay, so food items like fruits, vegetables, milk and meat will be fresh for very short period. What is that meaning, children? We can't store it and keep for the long time. Okay, it may be 2 or 3 days or within 1 week only you can use it, otherwise afterwards it will be spoiled, that only given. So this type of the food substances fresh in the very short period. Next day, these are called perishable food. See what is meant by perishable food, children? The food substances are fresh for very short time or short period are called as the perishable food, and they get spoiled easily. So this type of the perishable foods can spoil it up easily. Some food items like rice have long lifetime, but they also decompose. See, children, so milk, fruits and vegetables and all example of the perishable foods. Okay, so here given some food substances does not spoil it very easily. Okay, that means we can store it and keep for the long time. Even that type of the food substance also decompose means what? Even it that is also spoil it up. So the change in the normal state of the food is called spoilage of the food. See, children, what is the definition of the spoilage of the food means? This only you should want to write it. Nothing but change in the, okay, normal state of the food. So for example, normal means what? It will be has some smell or otherwise called as the odor, taste. Okay, in that changes will be occur means that is only called as the spoilage of the food. Okay, then spoiled food becomes unsuitable to eat. After spoiled means we cannot eat, no, so that is only called as what? Unsuitable, that is not comfortable, not suitable to eat. We can notice such changes from the taste and also smell of the spoiled food. How we can find out whether the food substance will be spoiled or not? By using the taste and also smell of the food substances. Next, eating spoiled food may cause disease. Suppose without knowing, if you are taken the spoiled food item, is definitely it leads to cause certain diseases. Listen, children, here given activity 1. What they given in this activity? You want to classify the, here many food substances will be given that you want to classify into perishable and the non-perishable food item. Perishable means what? Which has very short period. Okay, that means after short period it will spoil it up. Non-perishable means after long time also you can store it and keep. Okay, anyway even it is also can spoil it up. So here given many example that you want to classify it. Here you see, children, what is this? Rice. What is this? Salt. What is this? Tomato. What is this? Pear. Okay, so these are in these 4, if you are seeing means these 2 will be come under the non-perishable, this 2 is come under the perishable. Okay, so come, children, so how the food substance will be spoiled, we are going to learn about this one. Causes means what are the material will be leads to decompose or spoilage of the food substances, you are going to learn. See, once the food items are harvested, they begin to decompose. Food can be spoiled by factors like air and oxygen, moisture, enzymes, microorganisms, light and then temperature. See, children, when the spoilage of the food will be started means after harvested. Harvested means you know the grains will be matured means from the plant into were separated grains. After separated into it will be started. Okay, so it start to decompose. For there certain factors will be responsible. What are the factors, children? Air. Okay, oxygen that is present in the air, and then moisture content. Enzyme, it is a chemical substance. Microorganism like bacteria, fungi, etc. Even light and also the temperatures. So these are the factors responsible for spoilage of the food substances. One by one you are going to learn. The first one, air and oxygen. How it will be responsible for the spoilage of the food substances. See, when oxygen reacts with food contents, it produces changes in the color and then flavor of the food. See, children, oxygen present in air, no, it will be react with the food substance, any kind of the food substances. So what change it can make? It change the color and also the flavor of